Hi there, and welcome back to another episode of Tech Tuesday. As always, I'm MJ, your product support manager here at JBS Equipment. And in today's video, we're going to be going over the feed table proximity sensors, what they're for, and how to diagnose them. Let's do it. Located on the cab side of the bagger, right near the feed table drive, are two proximity switches. We have this lower one down here that tells the ECU when the feed table is in the down position. And we have one right here that tells the ECU when the feed table is in the up position. Please note that if this sensor is not working, it's not lit up when the feed table is in the down position with the engine turned on, bagging cannot happen. Also, if this feed table sensor doesn't work when the table's in the up position, you don't get the high speed or rabbit mode. Here, I'm going to give you a quick demo with this sensor here lit up, and also shows what it does with the feed table when it gets to it. So when you go to lower the feed table, here we'll bring it down a little bit. It gets to a point where it falls down. At about around a foot or so, the feed table will actually fall down. That is a normal behavior. That allows the feed table to follow the contours in the ground. Here, we'll demo it one more time. We'll lift it up. Now, if I go ahead and push the feed table down button, it'll go, and then it drops to the ground itself. This is normal behavior. It's nothing to be worried about. Now, if that feed table float switch or down position switch isn't working, that won't happen. And also, like I said before, bagging cannot happen. As you can see here, there's quite a small gap between the tip of the sensor and this piece of metal. These sensors cannot work if they are further than a 1/4 inch away. 1/4 of an inch, or about 6 millimeters, is the maximum distance between the tip of the sensor and the piece of metal here. Okay, so right here is our high speed indicator, and being that the feed table is down, if I go to pull that trigger, nothing happens. So the feed table must be all the way up and in its latched position in order to use the high-speed function on the bagger. Well, that concludes this episode of Tech Tuesday. If you have a video idea that you'd like to see, drop it in the comment section below. Take care, everyone.